We are learning new details about a shooting back in March that left a 36-year-old mother dead in her front yard.
WKRG News 5's Shimani Baker was in court today for a hearing. She joins us now in the studio with more on what happened that night on Partridge Street off of Michigan Avenue.
Right, so 18-year-old Jamon Johnson sat in front of the judge today as witnesses took the stand to recount the night of March 30th. Prosecutors were asking the judge to deny his bond. An MPD homicide detective was one of the people who took the stand. She testified that she interviewed 4 people who were in the front yard the night of the drive-by shooting that killed 36-year-old Dejaria Jackson and injured a 14-year-old. The detective testified that during those interviews, most of the people could recall the truck the shooter was in, a gray SUV. The detective later determined it was a 2022 gray GMC. Prosecutors believe the shooting was gang-related. One of the people the detective interviewed said there was an ongoing issue in the neighborhood after Keyshawn Bellamy was killed on Orange Street on February 5th, and that there was a new gang formed called K for K, Kill for Keyshawn, that Johnson was allegedly a part of. The detective also testified that the driver of the gray GMC identified the shooter as Jamon Johnson. The driver said Johnson shot his gun out of the back seat. Prosecutors say Johnson is a rapper who goes by the name Flip 30. They played some of his alleged music videos in court, pointing out the lyrics like "Turn Mobile into Baby Russia." The judge ultimately denied Johnson's bond. Johnson is charged with first-degree assault, shooting into an unoccupied vehicle, and 3 counts of reckless endangerment. Live in studio, Shimani Baker, WKRG News 5.